Moving is supposed to be exciting, right? But for most people, it's a complete nightmare. Lost boxes, last-minute packing, movers who don't show up, and that one thing you forgot that makes your first night in the new home a disaster. Well, not today. In this video, I'm breaking down a step-by-step guide to make your move stress-free and sharing the number one thing most people forget that makes moving a complete disaster. Before we get started, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a moving nightmare? Tell us your horror story in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps grow our channel and helps others avoid moving disasters. Luxury isn't just a lifestyle, it's an experience. I'm Dario Lorenzo, a dedicated global real estate advisor with Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty right here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's find your dream home or sell your property for top dollar. Reach out today and let's make it happen. Meet Sarah and Mike. They were so excited about their new home, but with closing just a week away, they realized they hadn't scheduled movers, packed a thing, or even set up their utilities. Sound familiar? They ended up paying double for a last-minute moving company, had no internet for 2 weeks, and worst of all, they left behind important items in their old house. Start planning as soon as your home goes under contract. Set a moving budget. Truck rentals, movers, storage, deposits. Declutter before packing. Donate, sell, or toss anything you don't need. Tom and Lisa thought they found a great deal on movers online. The price was low, but on moving day, things went south. The movers showed up hours late, broke their furniture, and then charged them hidden fees. At that point, what choice did they have? They paid it just to get out of the mess. Get quotes from at least 3 reputable companies. Check reviews and make sure they're licensed and insured. Ask about extra fees up front. Have you or someone you know had a bad experience with movers? Share it in the comments. Emily thought she packed everything carefully, but when she arrived at her new house, she couldn't find her phone charger, her kid's favorite stuffed animal, or even a change of clothes for the night. Her first night in the house? Miserable. Label boxes clearly, color-coded for each room. Pack an essentials box with toiletries, clothes, chargers, and important documents. Snap a photo of electronics before unplugging them. Jack and Laura were ready to move, but their movers nowhere to be found. Despite confirming the night before, the company ghosted them. Scrambling to find a solution, they rented a truck and moved everything themselves. What was supposed to be a smooth transition turned into a 16-hour disaster. Confirm everything with your moving company the night before. Protect your home with floor coverings and corner protectors. Do a final walkthrough. Make sure you leave nothing behind. Mark and Jessica thought they were ready for their new home until they arrived to find no running water because they forgot to set up utilities in time. They had to wait 3 days before things were fully set up. Set up utilities before moving in. Unpack bedrooms, bathrooms, and the kitchen first. Introduce yourself to the neighbors. What's the first thing you unpack when you move in? Let us know in the comments. After years of helping buyers and sellers move, I've seen one common mistake. People don't leave time to actually enjoy the moment. So my biggest advice, schedule a break, celebrate, take a breath. You made it. Moving should be a fresh start, not just a stressful process. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's planning a move. It really helps grow the channel and spread the knowledge. And don't forget, drop your moving horror stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching.